Hey guys, Chris is 22 here. Today I will be reviewing a custom Lego build. I just did this today, and yeah, it's pretty cool. Here's the front. Get a good front angle. It's kind of supposed to be like a boat, almost. Because it has these, they're supposed to be like floaters. I haven't tested yet, but I think it might actually float. Here's the front. I got a, engine on it. And oh my gosh, the camera can't even see it. An engine, and I used an airplane cockpit thing as the I actually don't know which set this cockpit is from, but yeah, let me show you guys all the sides. There's this side. Fortunately, I don't know how, but that got broke. I had to use a different color. I had to use white instead of gray. And here's the back, the other side. And with the back, there's this piece, which I'm going to add another extension on to where it has wings, actually. And this is a... Put on. On, you stupid piece of... I got it. That kind of makes it look like a snowmobile almost. Maybe it could be a snowmobile, like... Oh, wait. A snowmobile. That's pretty stupid, though. But it's meant to be a boat, car, airplane. And this is a custom. Something that I did. Here's the bottom, and let me show you guys the inside. Ow, ow. I hurt my finger earlier. There we go. That's the inside. I'm gonna put a Lego seat right there. I don't know, maybe not. But that's the inside. And this can come off, and oh my god! No, I broke it! Ow! It's a simple barrel that I had to put on there so that the front, I'll make it a good shot, will be actually, oh my god, it broke again. Just half the back just broke. Hang on one sec, guys. Oh. Now, it can turn like that. Oh, that took a long time. That was very annoying. And, yeah, it's really cool because I think this is from... if anyone knows what set this is from, tell me. I think it's from from the rescue set? Yeah, because I think this is something that I had. I can't remember. I think it's from one of the